Here question number 8 is write four negative integers greater than -20. -20 કરતા greater હોય એવા numbers લખવાના છે. So which are the greater number than -20? You can write a positive integer because we know that all positive integers are greater than 20. Also you can write the number that are on the right side of the number line from -20 that are greater. જો તમે નંબર લાઈન ડ્રો કરો અને -20 કરતા જે પણ રાઈટ બાજુના નંબર હોય એ બધા ગ્રેટર થાય. So you can write positive numbers or you can write -90, -18, -17, -16, -15, all are greater than -20. Or you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because we know that positive integers are greater than the negative integers. Then write four negative integers than -20. Here in a question it is written negative integers, so we write it as a negative. Okay, and a negative integer કહું છે એટલે આપણે negative લખ્યા છે. But if this word is not given, then you can write any number. Write four negative integers less than -20. Now negative integers that are less than -20. So if you move on number line left side, then you get a lesser number than -20. So on left side, which number are there? -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. These are the negative integers that are less than -10. Clear? Now example 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If statement is false, correct the statement. जो false होता है ना correct करो. So here first one, -8 is to the right side of -10 on number line. Now we learn comparison of integers. We learn how to draw a number line. Now also we learn two rules that if we are moving on right side, numbers are increasing, and if we are moving on left side, numbers are decreasing. So from these two numbers, which will be on the right side? Which will be greater, -8 or -10? So -8 is greater and greater number will be on right side. So -8 is right side of -10, that is true statement. જે પણ greater હશે એ right side ઉપર હશે. So here -8 is greater, so it will be on right side. So it is true statement. Now next one, -100 is to the right side of -50 on number line. So from these two numbers, whatever number is greater will be on right side. So -100 and -50, which one is greater? -50 is greater, so that will be on right side. So -100 will be on left side. So we can write -100 is to the left side of -50 on a number line, and given statement is false. Clear? Why? Because in -100 and -50, -50 is larger and that will be on right side. Now third one, smallest negative integer is -1. Okay, so negative integers start from what? -1, and if we are moving to the -1 to -2, -3, -4, -5, numbers are increasing or decreasing? जो આપણે -1 થી પછી next number પર જઈએ -2, so numbers are decreasing because -1 is greater number than -2. Then -2 to -3, that is again lesser number, means we are decreasing the number. -4, -5, that all are smaller than -1. So -1 is the largest negative number. So statement is false. Why? Because largest negative integer is -1, because all numbers that are negative and without 1 are less than -1. -1 સિવાયના બધા જ નેગેટિવ ઇન્ટીજર શું થાય? એનાથી નાના. Okay, minus 26 and minus 25. Which one is greater? So if we draw a number line, then minus 25 will be on left side, right side, and minus 26 will be on left side. And left side number will be smaller. So this statement is false. Minus 26 is less than minus 25. Clear? Now question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Here questions are given. You need to draw a number line and answer the question that are: which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Question solution. We need to move 4 steps right side from minus 2. So let's draw a number line. So here you can extend the number on right and left both sides. So here from minus 2, you need to move 4 steps to the right. So where is minus 2? It is here. Now 4 steps right side. So first, second, third and fourth. Where we reach? We reach at the minus plus 2. So we can write we reach on plus 2 if we move 4 steps right of minus. Now second one, which number will be reached if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So let's draw number line. Mark the points. On left side we have negative numbers. Please remember the numbers on the left side are lesser and number on the right side will be greater. So now from 1 we need to move. So here it is 1. Move left side. How many steps? 5 steps. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this direction represents that we are moving on left side. And 5 steps we reach on minus 4. So we reach on minus 4. If we move 5 steps from the 1 left side. Clear? Now next. If we are at minus 8 on number line, so let's draw a number line and put the arrow on minus 8. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Here 1, 2 and okay. If we are at minus 8, so if we are here on number line, in which direction we move to reach minus 30? If we want to reach here, which is the direction of minus 30? And this direction is left. So we can write we should move on left side of minus 8 to reach minus 30. Now next one. If we are at minus 6 on number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So let's draw a number line. So here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. On right side we have positive integers. So now we are at minus 6. So here we are at minus 6. We reach to minus 1. So we reach to here. So we are moving on this direction. And what is this direction? It is right side. So we move right side from -6 to reach -1. Now next topic we learn in this chapter is very important. So here addition of integers, a very important topic. Okay. So this topic will you learn further in 7th standard, but here in the chapter number here in 6th standard you have some basic knowledge about that addition of integers. So let's start. Add two positive integer. Now in integer we have three types of number: negative integer, positive integer and zero. So whenever it is about the positive integer means the number that are signed with plus. अगर साइन प्लस ની ના હોય, કોઈ પણ સાइन ના હોય તો પણ એને પોઝિટિવ ઇન્ટીજર કહેવાય. If I say plus a or only a, it means it is a positive integer. If I say minus a, it means it is a negative integer. So here first add two positive integer means number that are positive and we are performing the addition. So let's start. Plus 3. So this is positive integer. Remember, if sign is not given, instead of plus 3 only 3 is given, then again it is a positive. जो sign ना भी हो तो पण एक positive integer ज कहेवाय. And plus 2. If two numbers are positive, then directly add the number 3 plus 2 5 and answer is positive. Okay. Again let's take one example. 8 plus 3. Here 8 is positive, sign na bhi hoy to a positive j ganay. So 8 and 3 is also plus. So 8 plus 3, add the number and answer is 11. That is positive. You can write this sign or skip this sign. 11 lakho to पण chal. Plus 3 plus 3. So here again both are positive. So add the number. 3 plus 3 6. Clear? So if two numbers are positive, then add the number and sign is positive. Here we are performing the operation and this represents sign. So if two numbers are positive, add the number and sign is plus. Now add two negative integer. If instead of positive integer, negative integer are given. So if -2, this is negative integer and -2. Two numbers are negative, then again add the number. 2 plus 1 जो negative હોય બંને તો પણ એડ જ કરવાનું કેમ કે બંનેની સાઇન સેમ છે. So 2 plus 1 that is 3, but sign is of greater number that is negative. બધા ઓપરેશન જ્યારે આપણે ચારે ચાર ઓપરેશન લર્ન કરી લઈશું ત્યારે તમને ખબર પડશે કે which is the sign of answer. So here if two numbers are negative, then answer is negative integer and add the number. Let's take one more example. -4 and -3. So here you need to add 4 plus 3, that is 7, but answer contain negative integer. Means sum of two positive integer is positive integer and sum of two negative integer is negative integer. Clear? Now -5 plus -11. So again 5 plus 11 is 16 and answer is negative. So if two negative integer are in addition, operation will be add and sign will be negative. Clear? We learn about adding two positive integer and two negative integer. Now if one integer is negative and one integer is positive, means add a negative integer. Let's take one example. One is 5, that is positive, plus -3. Add negative integer. Okay, if one number is positive, one number is negative, then subtract the number. So 5 minus 3, that is 2, and sign of greater number. In that you need to sign of greater number. Okay, હવે અહીંયા greater number ની સાઇન કહું એટલે તમારે નંબર જ જોવાનો. That is positive, that is negative, doesn't matter. 5 અને 3 માં bigger number શું છે? 5. So sign of Clear? One more example. If plus 8 plus minus 11. Add negative integer. Okay. So here 8 and minus 11. So subtraction of number, but because one number is positive, one negative. जो બંને નંબરની સાઇન સેમ હોય તો નંબરનું એડિશન, જો એક પોઝિટિવ અને એક નેગેટિવ હોય તો એનું સબટ્રેક્શન. So 11 minus 8, that is 3. Now sign from 11 and 8, which one is greater? હવે ખાલી હું તમને ઇન્ટીજર્સ નથી કહેતી, ખાલી નંબર કહું છું. 8 અને 11 માં કયો નંબર બિગર છે? 11. And what is the sign of 11? That is negative. So answer have negative sign. Clear? One more. 6. If sign is not given, 6 minus 3. Now one number 6, that is positive, sign is not given, means it is a positive. Minus 3, that is a negative. One positive, one negative, subtract the number. બંનેની sign different, એટલે subtract કરવાનો. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Now sign. Which one is greater from 6 and 3? 6 is greater and sign of 6 is plus, sign answer have plus sign. Now next one. 21 minus plus minus 23. So from 21 and minus 23, one number is positive, 23 is negative. So subtraction of number, 23 minus 21, that is 2. Sign of greater number, minus 23 is greater and sign of 23 is minus, so answer is minus. Clear? So what you need to remember, that if one number is positive, one number is negative, subtract the number and sign of greater number. Also it is possible that first number is negative. For example, minus 3 plus 5. Here what is the sign of 5? That will be considered as a plus. And here sign of 3 is minus. One negative, one positive. Again subtraction of number, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now from this 2, which one is greater? 5. And so sign has plus sign. You can write the sign or skip the sign. You can only write the 2. Now let's take one more example. Minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 and plus 5. One negative, one positive. Subtraction of number, 5 minus 5 is what? 0. No need to write the sign. Now next. Minus 6 plus 8. From this 2. One is negative, one is positive. So 8 minus 6, that is 2. Sign of greater number, 8 is greater and sign of 8 is plus. Now next one. Minus 13 plus 10. One negative, one positive, subtraction of number, 13 minus 10, 3. And sign of greater number, that is minus. Okay, so what you need to remember? One negative, one positive. So again subtraction of number and sign of greater number. So now let's solve example related to this 4 topic. What we need to remember here? Here we learn 4 conditions, that is, if 2 signs are positive, add the number. If 2 signs are negative, add the number. If one positive, one negative, subtract the number. If one negative, one positive, subtract the number. Means sign are same, addition, sign are different, subtraction. But in all 4 cases, sign of answer will be of greater number. Answer में sign करी ऐसे जितना number greater से any sign. So here you need to remember, when we add 2 positive integer will be positive. When we add two negative integers, add the number and sign of answer will be negative. Now next, after that we learn when we add one positive and one negative integer, subtract the numbers and write sign of greater number to answer. So you need to remember this 4 steps. When two numbers are positive, add the number, sign of greater number. When two numbers are negative, add the number, sign of greater number in answer. And if one negative, one